Targeted secondary operations make it possible to refine the components and improve their functionality. Forming processes such as thread rolling, grooving, and knurling produce precise threads or profiles without any loss of material. Tumbling ensures high-quality surfaces and removes fine burrs. Machining processes such as turning, milling, drilling, and thread cutting create precise contours and drill holes made on state-of-the-art machines. Testing procedures based on image processing systems enable 100% feature test. Assembly meets customer requirements for ready-to-use assemblies. This involves not only SFS's own components, but also purchase parts from certified suppliers if required. Through heat treatments such as annealing, quenching, and tempering, and case hardening, SFS is able to influence the mechanical properties of a component in a targeted manner. Using different techniques, processes, and materials, chemical or mechanical protections can be integrated into components, as can sealing and insulation functions. State-of-the-art multi-stage cleaning processes such as dip cleaning, ultrasonic, and flood cleaning ensure maximum technical cleanliness. From the first processing step to the final refinements, SFS's innovative processes create reliable solutions that meet the most stringent requirements.